Following Francis Onebe's bail application in the High Court Criminal Division, today he appeared in court, represented by his lawyer Moses Ingura, to hear the ruling in this matter. This followed both parties in the bail application to file written submissions as ordered by the presiding justice, Paul Gadenya Walimbwa. Though the applicant was ready to receive the ruling, prosecution was absent in court. However, this didn't deter the ruling to go on. After perusing through submissions of both parties, in the ruling delivered by the High Court Criminal Division Chief Registrar on behalf of Justice Paul Gadenya Walimbwa, the accused Francis Onebe was denied bail on several grounds.
The application for bail is dismissed because the applicant has failed to assure the court that he will not abscond and interfere with the investigations if he is released on bail. Equally, the application has failed because granting bail to the applicant will prejudice public interest and the administration of justice. It is so ordered. It is not in the interest of justice to grant the applicant bail. Now, as releasing him will undermine the administration of justice. The public interest demands that the prosecution is given more time to complete its investigations before the applicant can be considered for bail, in addition to the applicant presenting sufficient guarantees that he is not a flight risk.
Muhumuza also clarifies that even though some of the merits of the application were justifiable, such as having substantial sureties, right to liberty among others, there were some inconclusive arguments in his submissions.
I am also mindful of the fact that since the scene of crime is the home of the applicant, persons who may turn out to be witnesses will either be related or closely associated to the applicant. Therefore, the temptations for the applicant to interfere and to influence them before the investigations are completed are not to be ruled out.
Moses Ingura, the accused's lawyer, had this to say on the subject matter before court.
What the judge has said, bail has not been granted, right? And yes, we respect the ruling and the considerations of the judge. So our duty is that, of course, as counsel for the applicant, we will always go back to the drawing board, then we see how to answer the concerns of the judge. Yeah. Well, he needs to be granted bail so that he can access adequate and specialized treatment. That's the position.
Prosecution, in its submissions, prayed to court for more time to proceed with the investigations in this matter before the accused is granted bail.
According to the prosecution, examination of the scene of crime, which is involving forensics, may take time, and therefore securing it for the time being is important for all, including the applicant, who has maintained his innocence.
Francis Onebe was remanded to Chitalia Government Prison, Nantongre.